Well, we're having some fun in the backyard today. I did use some glazing putty, polyester, with the hardener in a couple little spots. I figure it might save me one coat of primer and block sanding. So it looks pretty good. I got a couple spots I went through the bare metal, so I'm going to hit that with some epoxy primer first. And then we're going to put another coat of primer surfacer on it. And hopefully that'll be my last coat. Well, it's 6:30 p.m. I just finished the second coat of epoxy primer surfacer. And I bought some new paint, new activator, and it went a lot smoother. So that's what happens when you use old paint. But it looks pretty good. I went over the spots that I put some filler on, spot filler. One extra coat on them, but have to hit it with some more guide coat, and then hopefully this will be the final block. We can only hope, right? Other than that, she's looking good.